Welcome back, everyone. So today we're going to do a quick review on the Airtec Short Shift kit for the Mark 8 or 8.5 Fiesta ST. What we'll do is going to go through, just try it. It's not going to be very scientific, but just kind of like a overview of where the throw for the gear stick is to start with. We'll fit it on. I'll give you a quick overview on how we fitted it, because it'll be slightly different from car to car, because we've already got the Airtec intake on this car as opposed to the normal airbox, so the fitting would be slightly different. But it's really simple. It's basically 3 bolts and that is it. Okay, so this is going to be our unscientific version on how to check to show the throw. But basically what we've done is, actually, if you just put your clutch in again. So what we've done, the throw, we get on the kit itself, you can do 15% or 30% decrease. We're going to do the 30% decrease. So what we've done is put the gear stick furthermost, draw a line across where it sits, and then what we'll do, same again down, and then what we'll do, hopefully when we put the kit in, we can do that again, and there should be obviously a reduction where the line sits, but we'll work that one out. So this is the kit. This is the adapter. The big hole basically goes over the original, and then you've got 2 screw holes. The closer it is, obviously the less it is, or the less it is basically. So I'll put it on the 30% hole. Why not? And yeah, hopefully it should make quite a bit of difference. Okay, so this is it fitted. All you have to do is remove the 3 screws that are in the corners. What you can see there is that silver bit there is the original mount for this, the selector lever. All you do, just pop that off with a panel tool or a flathead screwdriver. Slide the adapter over the gear lever selector, and then bolt it up, and then obviously screw the knob back onto where you want it, and we put it furthermost away, which is the 30%. Push that back on, and that is it. Like I say, to get to there you do have to remove the air filter. So realistically you've got to undo the clamp for this intake pipe. Usually have the airbox there and the airbox lid. Undo the MAF sensor, which is that cable there, and then basically lift out the airbox. Like I say, we've got the Airtec intake, so it's slightly easier for us, but I'll get it all back together. We'll get back in the car, and we'll see if we can see any difference in the throw just on the gear stick alone. So that's it all fitted in the car, and what we're going to do now is just test it. I say we test it. I've already tested it. I've done the lines. I'll spin it round. I'll spin the camera around, and I'll show you how we got on. So, as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, but the top line was the initial line for the throw going upwards, and now you're about 8 or 10 mil down, or towards the centre, shall we say, for your upper gears, and the gears going down again. This was the line of where it was originally, and again it should be the same, but yeah, 8 to 10 mil. It's about 8 to 10 mil closer to the centre line as well. So there is, and that's on the 30%. Obviously I'd expect it to be half that on the 15%. So as always, I hope the video was helpful. It's only just a quick review, a quick overview. With the kit itself, on Airtec, they're about £45 to £50. If you look around on Amazon and eBay and places like that, I think we managed to pick this one up for about 40 quid. So if you have a look around, they do sales and all the rest of that good stuff. Christmas coming up, you might be able to pick one up for like more £40, but it's in between £40 and £50. Takes literally 5 minutes to fit, and yeah, so far the quality's there, and it appears to have done exactly what it's supposed to have done. I might do a follow-up video with Ash just to see how he gets on with the gearbox, because obviously it's going to be a lot closer as he goes along. But as always, please like the video, look to subscribe to the channel. Got loads of other stuff coming up, probably some more on the Fiesta, to be fair. I know there's talk of getting the intercooler, stage 3 intercooler. Probably get the Airtec one as opposed to Monsoon, because it's the same price, but you're getting stage 3 as opposed to the tiddly piddly one. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.